Hi everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk, and so today is going to be my cash stuffing video for my last paycheck for May. And if you're interested in watching, please continue to watch. Alright you all, so I want to say welcome back to my channel, and for all my new subscribers, thanks for subscribing to my channel, and let's get started with this video. So I actually am going to first count off the money that I am going to be using to stuff this file of facts. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, and 20. So it's 320, and it's lesser than what I normally do, and it's not because I didn't take it out, it's because I already purchased some through packages. So with groceries, I excuse me, I usually do 140, which I still do, but however I already spent 40, so it's just going to be 100 that's going in here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and we are going to put this in here. And then for the kids, it's 20. It's 10 per child for their chores, and this may increase, or we may end up doing a different setup. I'm thinking about investing in one of those debit cards for kids. I just want to read up on it a little bit more before I decide to go that route, but for right now I'm using this, but I'm hoping to change that. It'll be a lot easier, and it'll make them see responsibility a little bit more. But that's going to be 20. And then gas, I do 40, 20, 40. And for cleaning, I do 20. Looking to change this probably next month. If not next month, the month after. Just depends. So 20. And then for the movies, I do 20 as well. And this basically is just any rentals I want to get, or downstreaming, or any type of movies offline. I'll have something set to the side versus just waiting for the bill to come out. I can at least have it already set up. So that's 20. And I see this staying the same. For taxes, I do 40 per pay period. And so far, let's see, I haven't checked on this. I haven't counted it up. But let's see. For taxes, I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, and 20, 40. So 240 is already saved up for the taxes. And I am going to put 40 in there for this one. So now that's going to be 260 that's in there. I would think it would be a little bit more than that, but it's not. For YouTube, this is actually where, of course, if I am getting something as far as a planner or any type of things that I need for my laptop, my tablet, whatever you want to call it, or just to do my giveaway, it's going to come out of this envelope right here. So let's see what I have in here so far. I did have to take 20 out because I did purchase some apps for my tablet. So let's see what we have in here. I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40. So 140 is in here, and we're adding 40 more. What did I say? 140, 120. Tell you. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 140. And I'm adding 40 more. So that'd be 180. And then personal is where it's for me just to get anything that I want. I do 40, and so it's the last 40, 20, 40. I didn't have any extra out of the categories from last pay period, so there's nothing to place in this envelope. And so that is basically it. Short, simple, and sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed this cash envelope stuffing for my last paycheck in May. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.